Hello everyone, this is Pooja with Travel to Sikkim. During this tough time, it was a much needed trip. Though it is a very small trip, we enjoyed it to the fullest. We started our journey from Shialda station and it took us around 10 hours to reach NGP. As we already booked our car, the driver picked us up from outside of the station. It costs us around 12k for 3 days, pickup and drop from NGP included. And if you are planning to travel Sikkim during this pandemic, keep your vaccination certificate or RT-PCR report with you. Also get your travel pass from below mentioned link. The beauty of mountains always attracts me. I enjoy the adventure which lies at every turn of the road. We decided to visit Arital Lake on the way to our homestay. It is one of the oldest lakes and the only place in Sikkim where you can enjoy boating. The drone view of this lake looks like a boat. We reached our homestay around 6 pm. It is at Padamchen. It's just below Julu. Rooms are spacious enough for two and cozy. You will not get amenities like a hotel as it is in a remote area. Be prepared to stay without Wi-Fi for a few days. Food options are limited but very delicious. You will get chicken or pork based on the availability. And this is how we used to wake up in the morning. It was mesmerizing. The next day, we had to leave early, around 3:30 am, to see the sunrise from Thambi viewpoint. It really gave us a spooky feeling to travel at that time. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach there on time, so we stopped at a nearby viewpoint which is very near to Thambi. The view can only be enjoyed through naked eyes. The view of Silk Road from here looks amazing. After enjoying the sunrise, we reached at Thambi viewpoint. The clear view of Kanchenjunga from here looks heavenly. The snow-capped peak you are seeing over there is Kanchenjunga. We are now heading towards Shangule. Roads are not that great. In some places, we had to get down from the car and cover it on foot. We also stopped for our breakfast in the middle. Hot soupy noodles with lemon tea in this weather complement each other perfectly. On the way to Canggu, we have also seen Memencho Lake. We finally reached Canggu Lake. The beauty of this place is astonishing. We were so lucky to enjoy the panoramic beauty of clean blue water in this sunny weather like this. On the way to our return, we also enjoy the beauty of Kupuk Lake from far. The driver informed us that we need to get special permission from Gangtok to go near the lake. Another popular and iconic place to visit during your stay in Sikkim is Baba Mandir. We also covered that the last time when I visited Sikkim, New Baba Mandir was not there. So we went there first and later we covered Old Baba Mandir as well. We found this place on the way return to our homestay. We had momo and thupka. The food was good and you can also buy a souvenir from him. Every trip has to come to its end. We were really lucky to get perfect weather to enjoy Sikkim in a brief time. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your feedback below and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Thank you and bye bye.